are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm
Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is get our cardstock paper. This is just a template. We can be able to get accurate measurements on our faux leather. That measures 2 1/4 of an inch by 3 1/2 inch. And then you're going to get another piece of cardstock paper that measures 3 inch by 2 1/4 of an inch. Be the pages for the notebook, and this one is going to be the cover. For the cover, we're going to take that and we're going to fold that in half so we can get the center. From the bottom to the top, you're going to measure 1/2 inch, and then you're going to do the same thing from the top, measure down 1/2 inch, and then the middle one, you just want to center that. It should look like that. Once you the top part 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and then you center between these two holes, you center the one in the middle, and then you put a hole in there. You can use these pliers. This is optional. It's not necessary for you to have this. You can still use your owl. Let's go ahead and get our faux leather. Turn it on the opposite side, mark it, and cut that out. Once you finish cutting it out, it should now look like that. So you're going to take your cardstock paper and you're going to lay it on the opposite side. Mark your holes. Enforce those holes. And there it is. Put your holes in there. Now you should have 3 holes. So let's go ahead and get our elastic band. Put 7-inch elastic band. We're going to be putting this in here. So the first step we're going to do is put it through that hole. And what I did was use my owl and just force it in there. It through, and then you pull it, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. It comes through very easy. And just tie a knot. You want it to be very loose, you don't want it to be too tight. So far, that's how it's going to look. You're going to need a 7-inch elastic band, and we're going to fold it in half like that and get in the middle. You're going to put that in the middle right there in that hole. Use our owl to force that elastic through that hole. It gets through right there. Right, let me pull that, and then we're going to put a knot in there. I'm going to pull these knots very tight because we have to adjust it, because we're going to be putting our books, as well as see how much room we need to wrap that around when we do get the books in there. So let's go ahead and make our books for these, and then we can always adjust the tightness of our knots. Aside, and let's get our books template for the pages that we're going to use. Get yourself some scrapbooking paper. You can do different designs, printing paper, and I forgot to mention that. So you can use some printing paper. You can use your template, cut your pages out, and then that's how you're going to get all of these. And so you need about 12 pages. This is going to be my book cover right here, and I'm going to just fold that in half. This is how I do it. I take one of the printing paper, fold that in between. I just put different papers in between. This plain one in here, then I put another different design, just kind of switch it up. 12 pages in here, and we're going to be stapling this down. So find the center, and then we're going to put a staple right here and right here. You can do 1 staple in the middle, or you can do 2. With mine's being so bulky and I like to add so many decorations to it, I put 2 staples just to secure it. Go ahead and staple this. We'll go to the next step. We should now have it stapled together. Go ahead and put it inside of our cover. Put it through the cord that, see how loose it is right now? I'm gonna tighten up just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do the closure. I like to leave closure just sit at the back. Let's test it out and see. I like that. So I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna put one more knot on there, and then we're gonna put some glue on this thing because once again we want to secure it. We're gonna put glue right at the bottom of that knot just to keep it in place, and just you don't need much glue at all, just enough. I'm gonna cut that down. Okay, and then the middle I'm gonna cut. Let me test it out. Let's see. Yes, I love that. This is how it looks so far. Then we're gonna cut our books because you see how those layers are sticking out. We want to even that out. We want to have a 1.5 inch book. Okay. Once you finish cutting it, it should now be cut down to about 1.5 inch, and then 2 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and this fits just right in there. That way it has some room. And then you can decorate this beauty right here. Before to decorating this one, I made a black one as well. This black one. Beautiful butterfly inside of it. So cute, y'all. These are beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.
Thank you.